Okay, so I wanted to show you the data dictionary also. My data dictionary might be regenerated or still generating. Okay. So let it generate my whatever data model changes I do right. I don't. Those data model changes will be deployed to the application only when I restart the server. Okay, I need to stop the server first. I need to stop the server first from here. Okay. From the run. There is okay, my server is already stopped. I'll start it. Okay. And then, when my server is started right, I'll get a stop button enabled here. Stop. So I need to stop the server. And then I need to. Once the server is stopped, I need to run it again. Right, so then my data model changes are deployed. But for PCF changes, I don't need to restart the server. It will be loaded with Alt-Shift-T, because these are PCF changes. Are the client level changes right? These are not. These are there are. These are 3 layers right, which we have discussed in our first class, the application layer, the database layer, and the UI layer right. So whatever changes we do in the UI layer, those will be loaded with Alt-Shift-T. Okay, Alt-Shift-N. Sorry. So whatever changes we do in the application layer, it can be deployed either by a server restart or we can reload the classes. So once I have, I'll go to the run. If I do some class level changes, right, I'll do the changes and I'll reload the classes. Those will be deployed automatically. But for data model changes, I need to restart the server. Okay.